Hey, Gerald.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice. What year is that, baby?
It's a 13.
Nice. Yeah. It's clean, though. Look at that paint. Damn. So, no winter driving, right? That's right. Okay. Nice, man. Nice. Love it. I see some sparkle on there. What is that?
You know, whatever it is. I
Nice.
didn't want flake, but
Amazing. No, I like it. It's clean, man.
Wow. That's not a stock paint color, is it?
See, no, well, is it a stock?
stock repaint.
No, that's see, that's what I'm saying. Check out the paint. You didn't check out the paint. Now you're checking out the paint.
I was over there when I got it directly inside. I'm like,
So what do you got under this?
Did the exhaust, I did the suspension, and I did the wheels.
How wide are your tires in the back? Those are nice tires, bro.
I went to a 315.
Yeah, buddy. Woo!
305 in mine.
315. You gotta go through 15. Yeah, you gotta go through 15. That's what you gotta do. You have no worries.
Okay, so if you got 315, what do you got here?
275.
Yeah, that's the one you do.
I went with the 9-inch on the front and 11 on the back.
Yeah, yeah.